I am so excited to share with you this condo located in the heart of Silicon Valley. If you're looking for a new home with a remodeled kitchen, something close to Apple campus, at an incredible price, then this is it. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Everything is within arm's reach. Could be a great home office or a timeout space for mom. Look at the closet space. If you like what you saw and you're ready for a new home, that's walk to markets such as H Mart and Ranch 99, walk to coffee at 85 degrees, walk to Calabasas Park, and very short drive to Cupertino Main Street and also Apple campus, then reach out. It would be my pleasure to give you a personal tour.